Setting up a powered dialer in GoHighLevel enhances your calling efficiency by automating the dialing process for a list of contacts. Follow these steps to configure it. Create a tag for target contacts. Navigate to Settings, Tags. Click Add Tag, name it and save. Assign the tag to Contacts. Go to Contacts and select the individuals you want to include. Click Bulk Actions, Add Tag, choose the previously created tag and apply. Set up a manual call workflow. Navigate to Automation Workflows. Click Create Workflow, select Start from Scratch and name it. Add the trigger. Choose Contact Tag, set it to the tag created earlier and save. Add an action. Select Manual Call to queue contacts for calling. Activate the workflow. Ensure the workflow is active by toggling it on. Access the Manual Actions call queue. Go to Conversations, Manual Actions. Here you will find a list of contacts queued for calling. Initiate calls. Click Start to begin the dialing process. After each call, you can log the outcome and proceed to the next contact.